Oh my Lord, let me tell you something. If you want your truck redone, come to the world famous nydiesels.com. See, this is what we're doing. We're doing our trucks and we can do your truck too. As a matter of fact, we're getting ready to do my friend John's trucks down in Texas. We're prepping for it. That truck, we're doing a complete redo. He wants this truck to be like a new truck and we're going to do that. This right here, we're finishing up and we're bringing his in to get the paint rolling on it. We're always working. And we want you to know that if you need something done to your truck, give us a call. If you want your second gen truck to be like new, we'll do it for you. We're the best. nydiesels.com. This is a 01 6-speed dually. It's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous. Anthony just did the jams today, getting ready to sand her down and get her painted. And I'm telling you, Anthony's the best I've ever seen. So, I just wanted to show you what was going on. We're always going down here, always. While this truck's getting painted, engines are being built. Transmissions are being rebuilt. Upholstery's being redone. This is what we're doing. We're moving. It's a process. It's nydiesels.com that only deals with second-gen Cummins Diesel trucks. But we'll paint anything and we'll do anything. Will you leave, metalwork? Anthony's the best. He's the best. Honestly. There's a lot of good metal guys out there, but I got to say my guy's the best. But honestly, he really is. The things that I've seen him do are unbelievable. So if he's his work that he's done, I can't even begin to tell you. He can do anything, anything custom. If you want a 6-door Dodge diesel truck, he'll build it. He'll take 3 cabs and make 1 truck, and it'll look factory when he's done. He's that good, So, but he's my main paint guy. And he's just phenomenal. So, you want something done, come to nydiesels.com. We're the best. And, this truck right here is coming up next. Okay. So you're not going to want to miss this truck. This is a beautiful truck. And you can call me on this truck. You can buy it now if you want. It's an 01 quad cab dually 6-speed. The truck's going to be just absolutely beautiful. Rebuilt 6-speed. The compression's perfect on the engine. It's got nice, huge, big Mastercraft tires on it. It's going to have a lot of new interior. It's going to be a beautiful truck. It's like all of our trucks. She's going to be beautiful. So if you want your truck done, John at nydiesels.com is the email. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. Tell your friends. Share our channel. Almost 5,000 subscribers, tons of views. We love what we do here at nydiesels.com. World famous, 20 years in the game, the originators of these trucks. And, our Instagram is nydiesels, and so is our Facebook. So like us on there, too. And just keep following us because more great videos are on the way. And if you need something done, give me a shout out. And thank you so much. Keep your turbos spooling.